seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones or tablets. If you are sitting in an exit row, please do not plug your devices from the outlets. Don't forget to check your seat back pocket and area around your seats to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening overhead bins. To help keep the aircraft comfortable for our next customers, please open your overhead air vents, and if you are sitting next to a window, please close the window shades. If you have a connecting flight, you can use the United app to find directions and the estimated walking time to your next gate. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you may have. We are approaching Terminal C, such as in Charlie, and we are approaching Gate C41. Your baggage claim is Charlie number 2. If you receive a post-flight survey by email or through the United app, we would truly appreciate you taking a few moments of your time to share your experience. Your feedback helps us recognize great service and continue improving the experience we provide every day. My name is Dashika, and it has been my pleasure serving you as your purser this evening. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, we enjoyed having you as our guest in the friendly skies. It's been our pleasure to serve you, and we look forward to seeing you again soon on another United flight. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stand clear of the door areas to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties.